Hey guys, hapon na naman po, gabi na naman. Ito na naman po ulam namin, oh. Oh. Wow. Yan po, ang ulam namin, oh. Yan, ulam ng mga baboy. Wala talaga. Puro ganyan na lang ang ulam. Mga kahiblan. Yan po, oh. Oh, yan po, paksiw. Lechon paksiw po. Oh. Ayan. Ah, sarap yan, oh. Yan po, oh. Sarap yan, oh. Yan po, oh. Yan po ulam namin. Yan, ulam. Puro pang 5 blood. Yan guys, oh. Tikman natin. Tikman natin kung ayos na.
Yeah, pretty much the first thing someone with bad memory would say.
Tikman po natin.
Just gonna drop the old brain
May lechon paksiw.
by showing you some bad and neglected and wasting unwashed objects from your past. Okay, no problem.
Yan. Ang po ulam namin. Sarap.
Which I might want to borrow later.
You are not putting your stinking kind of feet in my booties.
Ang sarap, guys. Lechon paksiw.
Kaya naman video na naman kami, siya sakit na naman.